What's going on, friends? Mike Hill Hobbies here, and I was thinking with all the talk this year about aliens and UFOs, I think it's time to do a DIY UFO build for a Halloween decoration because we got a new buddy in the house. Let's open it up and check it out. Super excited about this one. Just the box looks amazing. I'm just gonna pull these parts out and get to it. That's the head and the fake glass cover right there. Not sure what that's for. Power adapter, instructions, packing, piece of cardboard, got some legs here. Legs and an outfit. And got some arms here. Got the left arm here, I think. Yeah, left arm, F. Here is the right arm with the trigger and all that. And of course, we've got a mechanism here. Oh, you know what? This is the hip hoop. Hip hoop! And these three pieces left kind of all come out together. That's the base, the backpack, and the mechanism slash waist. So let's get this thing together. Also got the little handle that goes on the waistband. Everything looks so cool. Me and my 8-year-old watched the movie last night just to get prepared to do the video. I don't know why do they put the stickers on the top where you can see everything. Put those stickers on the bottom or somewhere where you can't see them when the thing is together. All the money we pay for all these animatronics. Move the stickers. Part B, the right leg goes forward. So it is only going on one way with the spring pin or the push pin, and that is it. So now you get your pants, legs, waist, whatever you want to call it, slide that over and get the legs all on. It's got like some plastic kneecaps there, so make sure you don't push those in too much. Next is the mechanism. And the hip hoop goes on that, so go ahead and slide that over and then lock that down into place. Okay, once you got the mech on there, get the hip hoop on there, just slides right down into place. Now you just pull the costume up here and these Velcro pieces Velcro up underneath there, all around it. The clothing slides into the bottom of the helmet base, and all along here there's a groove for that ring of that clothing to pop into. So you might think that it's a little bit too big, but it's made to like bend down around that. So this right here is what takes up that space right there. And then you got 3 pieces of Velcro to Velcro it up there. So next is their breathing apparatus. Simply slides on the back. You want to get the tubes around this thing, and then just slide it on the fitting on the back. Super easy. Just slides right down, and then you got this handle piece right here, which goes the long part on the bottom, snaps into place, and then the short part on the top snaps right into place. This thing is really cool. Next, you got your right arm with the gun. Go ahead and connect your little power piece here. And then hook on the arm. Plenty of cable there. Okay, now we got the left arm, same thing, but this right here slides inside of here, and you got your connector for your mister inside of this gun. And then push the gun together. It's just like a wedge lock, so you just connect that, and then this piece, it just slides on, and a little bit of force will hold this thing together. There we go. Just like that. Now right here on the front of the gun, up top, there's a little piece that pops off with a watertight O-ring on there, and then right there is where you put the water inside of there to create the mist. Time for the head and the helmet. And the head will be inside the helmet. Some shrink wrap around it. That thing is super cool looking. This thing looks great. Oh yeah, can't wait to build the spaceship. It's gonna be looking super cool. Now this here just slides right inside of the frame piece. And it's got a little felt piece for the neck, which will come up over the latex to kind of hide the mold there. So it just seats down inside there like that. This thing is awesome. Oh man. This has to be one of the coolest animatronics out. I mean, this thing is just, I'm at a loss for words. This thing is sweet. Right, now the helmet, you've just got these little holes right there on each side, and there's a couple dimples on the helmet base. It just pops right on there. See which side looks the best, and that will be the front. It simply just slides over, and find your little dimple areas and lock it into place. That's it. It's super easy to put this guy together. Super easy to take this guy apart. Looks absolutely amazing. I can't wait to build the UFO because this is going to look great with a UFO above it. I'm going to have a UFO in the air so people can walk underneath it. I'm going to have fog coming out of it. I got a DJ light which is going to shoot lasers down so you'll walk through the lasers. And this guy's going to be right there underneath it looking absolutely incredible. Let's plug him in and get some water in there and check this out. Moment of truth. Let's check this guy out. I'm going to turn it to sensor and we'll see what happens here. Oh yeah, that thing missed right away. Amazing! This guy's freaking awesome. I love this thing. That mist is so cool. I love that this is a mister and not a fog machine. Of course, a bunch of fog coming out looks really cool, but then you got the hassle of hooking up a fog machine. You need power for the fog machine. This is so much better. It's a perfect touch to this guy. So let's make him go off some more. Oh my gosh, this thing is so freaking cool. I'm thoroughly impressed by this guy. He looks absolutely amazing. Matches the movie perfectly. I love this thing. This thing is so cool. All the detail on this, I mean, it matches absolutely perfect. The mister, I mean, it just starts misting right away. It is so cool. For the mister, it just goes right here. You got this piece, you just lift it up, and you just pour water in there. You got this little fitting that just slides right over it, and it just snaps back in place. All right, Mars Attacks, Martian Warrior. If you can get this guy, get him. He's excellent. I absolutely love this guy. Definitely recommend it. If you want to do a DIY UFO build, I'll have that coming out. It's going to match this guy perfectly. Happy Halloween.